Hi guys, welcome back. Good evening everyone. Welcome back with the last puzzle, the fourth and last puzzle in the puzzle page of Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, June the 5th, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles. The 2 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and a binary puzzle 10 by 10. And it's time now for the Tectonic. Tectonic with, well, I do not know how many stars, but this will be number 6535. 6535. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is, let me check, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. If I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, Tectonic in additional, this will be a 1 star puzzle. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, we will see if I can manage this. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Let me check. No single boxes in this puzzle. Well. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see here dual box. Their dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes here also. I need more information, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me check. No triple boxes. I see here quarter box, here also a quarter box, and there quarter box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. All right. Here I cannot fill those numbers. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. And here also. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yes. The first shape is this one, the Z construction. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. So in this case, it's a 5 here. All right. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 5 there. All right. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Or only one? Yeah, only one. No, here we have another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction should be there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Then, well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 2 there. That means that I cannot place the 2 here. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. All right. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We need a 1 in this area. Well, we have a double 1 there. That means that I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadro box should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 go. Oh, apologies. The 4 goes there. Come on. My tripod is not working 100%. Alright, let me continue. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for number 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadro box should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this quadro box for number 4. Then. Let me think. Then this box can be a 4. This box can also not be a 2. So the 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4. So 1 box left in this quadra box for number 1. Alright. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be there. These 3 boxes around the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Now we have 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and a 5. But it can't be a 5 anymore because we have already a 5 here. So it should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. The other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. Oh, apologies. Yeah. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finish in 12 minutes. Well. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes with 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, And we solve it again, Thank you again for watching. We will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. We have a samurai Sudoku, regular puzzle, and 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.